Now here's one that some got a lot, and some did not get. And this is the Supreme hauler, the Fleet Flyer. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels. Today we're going to take a look at the brand new releases of the Team Transporters. Right now we have 7, 11, there we go. 7, 10, and 11 are the latest releases that you can find. Now, I know you're going to say that the 66 Supernova was out earlier. Yes, it was. Thing to look at on that is, let's get to that. This is the Supernova that was released earlier with the 71 Datsun 510 and the Nissan Skyline HT. All right. If you look on the back of the 66 Supernova, it shows the Nova, the JDM-L, and the blue Datsun from the BRE set. And this release also has the 66 Supernova, but it has the Datsun or Nissan Fairlady Z, and it has the Mercedes-Benz 190E, which is this set here. So if you happen to, now this is a little hint, let you guys in on, all right? If you're cruising around the store and you find this one and it has just these on the back, then you know these are the ones that were the earlier release. And if you're like me and you walk in and you find this one and you see the newer ones, you know that you missed them, but you know that they're somewhere in the store. You're going to get them again. So at least you know that these are released in your store. So keep that in mind. So let's take a look at the trucks and the cars themselves. The 66 Supernova Retro Rig, this is a beautiful, beautiful set. You guys know that I like anything that hauls a car. I love tow trucks, car haulers, all that. This has got a, of course, the generic Dodge type transport hauler, all right? And that's done in semi-gloss black. Some are done in flat black, some are done in semi-gloss. So keep that out. Keep that in mind when you're, looking around if you're into those different variations. Now the Nova itself is a gasser, and it's got small chrome 5 spokes in the front, little tiny gasser ones with the straight axle front end. Got a big supercharged motor in the front with injection. The rear wheels are super wide, blacked out, 5 spoke. Got some big slicks on them. And the interior has a chrome roll cage, black interior with a chrome roll cage. Window is lightly tinted, and it's got a metal base on it also. Tampos are silver and black all the way around. Very cool looking car. Number 10 for this release is the Mercedes-Benz 190E Fleet Flyer, and that has got the box truck, and these are done in like a teal or aqua teal and blue, and done up with the Falken tire tampos on it. The car, of course, is the Mercedes-Benz 190E, and that is in the same color as the hauler. That has white 6 spokes on it, and the interior on that is black, and the windows are very, very dark tinted. And there you go for that one. Number 11, which everybody's going to go bananas over, is the Nissan Fairlady Z Sakura Sprinter hauler, and that is done in the red, white, and blue Nissan tampos on the side. The hauler itself is white enamel, got a blue stripe on it, and it comes with chrome wheel riders. The Nissan Fairlady is done up in red, white, and blue, has blacked out 5 spokes on it, and the interior on that is a very dark gray, and the windows are tinted very, very dark. Let's see what else we got here. These are the earlier releases. Of course, like I said, number 7 from that is the 66 Super Nova Retro Rig. Number 8 is the JDM-L, and it says Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX, and that also is carried by the Sakura Sprinter, and the box on that, of course, is white, and the Sprinter is a nice candy apple red, and the wheels are chrome on that with real rider tires. The Skyline is done with red 10 spokes with a chrome ring on it and real rider tires. The tampos on it are red and white and black, and the interior on that is black, and the windows are clear. Very, very cool looking. And another one of the JDM type is the 71 Datsun 510 Fleet Flyer, and that is, of course, in the Fleet Flyer box truck, done up with the BRE tampos, the red, black, and blue BRE Datsun tampos. The truck itself is, or the cab is, a light blue enamel. The wheels are white plastic, and it has real riders. The 510 on it has white 10 spokes with a chrome ring and real riders. Paint job is red, white, and blue. The interior is black, and the windows are lightly tinted. Now here's one that some got a lot, and some did not get. And this is the Supreme hauler, the Fleet Flyer hauler, with a 92 BMW M3 in it. And this was a limited edition promo that you could only get from Supreme, as far as I know. And they went like that, gone. And now they're going for crazy money all over eBay and the secondary market. So if you were lucky to get one, hey, that's great. And if you didn't, don't feel bad, because not too many people did. I didn't get one. I had to find this one. So actually, I had to beg for this one because nobody wants to give them up. But this has a nice red cab on it. The wheels are chrome with real rider tires. The BMW is done in red enamel with white Supreme on the side. The wheels are chrome 6 spokes. And of course, the tampos are really, really nice on this. The interior is a very dark gray, and the windows are lightly tinted. So here you have the latest releases on the Team Transports, which is the 66 Supernova, again, that was done in the earlier release. The Mercedes-Benz 190E, and the Nissan Fairlady Z. And those are all in the latest release. There are 4 in a case, and with this case, it came with actually 2 of the Falken one. So that's it. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Really appreciate that. Please subscribe, please tell your friends, and please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you take care of yourself. Thanks. Bye-bye.